Hi all, I'm Dr. Sujya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Application at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to discuss is about the don't care conditions in K-map. In the previous series, I have discussed about the map simplification concepts and what are the popular techniques that has been used for map simplification. Among that, the most popular Karnaugh map conditions and their rules has been discussed in previous series, and how a K-map has to be implemented, and real-time examples has been discussed in the previous series. And in this series I'm going to discuss is about the don't care conditions in K-map. So the don't care condition is one of the important concept in simplifying the output expression that has been given by the Karnaugh map, and this is called as a don't care condition. And these conditions allow us to treat certain cells in K-map as either zeros and ones, and altogether it has to be formed into a larger groups uh, without the don't care cells. When forming groups, we can consider the don't care concept as either zeros or ones has to be added in concept of grouping, and which helps us to form a larger group of cells. So this is one of the popularity of don't care conditions. When talking about K-maps, we have certain rules has to be followed in case of grouping. Either it has to concentrate on 2 or 4 or 8. And it was there are certain do's and don'ts conditions being in K-map. But this can be overcome by using a don't care condition, where don't care condition have little relaxations when compared to the K-map conditions. So a don't care cell will be represented in the form of cross X or in a minus symbol, and this K-map is represented as an invalid combinations. For example, in case of XS3 core system, the states 0000 1 2, the binary value of 3 and the binary value of 4 and the binary value of 5 are invalid or being unspecified, and these states are called as the don't care methods. And when concentrating on the steps of how to use a don't care condition is, we have to find out which combinations of variable results in the don't care condition, and this can be portrayed directly in a question where the don't care we have to put the help of symbols like x minus or python form, and we have to extend the number of ones from the bigger groups, and these groups will be utilized for further minimizing the expression, and this boolean expressions should be written by using a group terms. And this is the focus of the don't care method, is to concentrate on large groups. So this is the speciality of don't care condition, and this is one of the example and how and don't care method has been applied for sum of product for minimizing the concept. Here a given value has been given. Here four variables have been taken as a b c d, and the groups have been formed by given value. For example, 1 5 6 11 12 13 14 positions have been given and been indicated with digits of 1, where we have to check for larger values. Here we have to concentrate on 6. 6 is not possible in this, so we have to concentrate on 4. So when concentrating on 4, there is a need of one extra one for forming a group of 4. So in such cases, we can replace it with a don't care condition by designating it with X. So in this table, an X has been denoted near to 0, 1, which indicates a don't care condition. Why this X is indicated in near to 0, 1 is for forming a larger of 4 group. So that is why an X has been indicated. So this is how a don't care method is used. So here we need not rely on certain conditions or rely on certain terms, where we have to check for the possibilities of grouping, higher possibilities of grouping. If there is any lack of one, either one cell, in such a case we can replace it with a don't care condition. So finally, when solving the sum of product, we get f is equal to bc dash and bc dash plus a dash c dash d plus ab dash cd. So this result will be getting when solving the simplification model of the K-map. So this is another example where this has been used by product of sum. Here 4 variables have been taken, that is A, B, C, D, where 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is being denoted with zeros, and we have to check for maximum grouping of possibilities. When checking of maximum group of possibilities, there is only possibilities of grouping 2 zeros and 2 zeros. So in such a case, we can apply don't care method. We can indicate X on top near to 11. So in such a case, we can get a possibilities of 4 grouping. So this is how a don't care method is applied in product of sum. And finally, we get an answer of F is equals to A dash plus C, B dash plus C dash. So this is this final simplification result of the product of sum by using K-map. So what are the advantages of don't care method is it is simplify the output, and this is reduction in number of gates required, and power consumption is also reduced, and the invalid states in code converters will be represented, and we have to prevent the hazards in digital circuits. So these are the main motives of don't care condition in which has been implemented in a K-map, that is Karnaugh Maps. Thank you.